Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to another question and answer session. This is the physiology portion. Which of the following mechanism best accounts for release of the adrenaline? This is the release of the adrenaline. So we have to find out the mechanism by which the adrenaline is released. We know that the adrenaline, most of them are released from the adrenal gland. Most of them are released from the adrenal gland. Here are the options: release from the adrenal medulla in response of increased angiotensin 1 level, release from the zona fasciculata, release from the adrenal medulla in response to increased NE level, that means the noradrenaline level or norepinephrine level, release from adrenal medulla in response to sympathetic stimulation from the splenic nerve. So first of all, let's see the adrenal gland. It secretes the adrenaline, also very minimum amount of noradrenaline, and it release in response to the sympathetic discharge. And so when there is sympathetic discharge, there is a very urgent condition. In this condition, adrenaline release, and it is released from the preganglionic sympathetic fiber, and this causes chromaffin cell of the medulla, that means the adrenal medulla, to release of the adrenaline, which is the preform. That means adrenaline, which is very essential, so it is preform in the adrenal medulla, and when required, when sympathetic stimulus goes to adrenal medulla, then the adrenaline release. Here in the diagrammatic figure, where we can see this is the adrenal medulla, and here this is the kidney, and we can see the sympathetic discharge. It goes to the adrenal gland and release of the adrenaline. So what is the mechanism? The mechanism is the adrenal, from adrenal medulla, due to sympathetic stimulation. It is very important. It is sympathetic stimulation. Here also adrenal medulla, but it responds to noradrenal level. It is not true. Then release of zona fasciculata, which is a part of the adrenal cortex, so it is also not true. And release from the adrenal medulla in response to angiotensin 1 level, it is not also true, because the angiotensin 1 level, it plays important role in case of renin angiotensin aldosterone system. So our answer, it is the where the adrenaline release from the adrenal medulla in response to the sympathetic nerve